Okay, finally I finished my project, so now I'm gonna show you most of my work. Exhausting work, but it's worth it, I think you will tell me. So let's start. This was white, I made it like this, with like galaxy style, with flakes and blue metallic. Then I put this adhesive strip. I put Adiga, it's the negative of this, I put in this style. For the fan, this is the eyes, look like really cat eyes or transformer, I don't know. I add those also with those brackets, you can see. So okay, now I continue for the front. I put this like aluminum chrome. Okay, here too I put some tape. Even here I put some rubber for the waterproof. So here you can see I put also the zip. I put LED here. Now you can't see because it's not working. And here I put also nice decor here and here and here, all around. Here even all around. It takes many hours to cut and clean and put and to see after if it still stick. Okay, all around the wheel also I put. This is homemade, I made myself inside, and this I bought already like this. In previous video I told you I put only 3, you need to put 4, but here I put 3 to fit with the style and to let some hole here. Okay, this is the shoes, goes with the bike. You can laugh at it, but anyway, it's just for fun for the rider. Okay, or moonwalker, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, this is me. Hi everybody. So I put here some street too, here all around. The blue one it was all full chrome, but all chrome everywhere, it's nice. But with this it's more futuristic and style design. I put also here the white, you can't see it because it's on the chrome. Here I put one LED. Here all around I put also the strip. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, here. This is my radio station, okay? You can put radio or MP3, Bluetooth, flash memory card inside. Okay, in here too also I put some nice. Okay, so this was in the first place. I put this a long time ago. It can stay on until you crash your bike. Here also I put one blue symmetrically. Here to make more sport style, put blue and white. So you can see it start from here, continue here. Then hello my helmet, I designed it to also all around. I put some strip reflective light. It was all 2 color, now it's might match with the bike. Okay, here where I come from. And this is the Adiga flag I made myself. It's the same like this, but I made my own style, blue for the back. Okay, and here so you can see all the strip continuing like this on my helmet. and in here too. Then here it was all full black. I'll make it like chrome silver. This is Adiga. Okay, and for Adiga rider now I put this continuing, so it's like stylish, like this, and it's better than black because like now you can see it's like silver, and then you can imagine it continue this, you see, like this silver, then like this, like this. Before it was black, so not so good. Now I put also reflective light here. You can see if I didn't tell you. Here I put one too, and here inside also, here and here and here. Crazy work. Okay, just now you can see here all the work I made. I hope it will stay, and all around this wheel too. Okay, this is Adiga rider because I'm Adiga, and I made this. This is the hat of the Adiga. It's like a bear, or I don't know, as you want. It's like nice logo. Because I have a bear too. Okay, my shoes, second shoes. This I can put also here some LED on this tire pressure stuff. For now I let like this. Okay, so this is my bike work. Now I will put some light for you. Now the only thing I'm waiting for is some paint that will fit in all of this. I order one white, blue and silver. I will see what will be nice. Okay, final review. I finish. Okay, the tire. Okay. So tell me if you like. It's kind of funny. Anyway, it goes with the style.